C-H-I-N-K-E-D.
Chicken
Mama,
do.
just spell it! No!
Okay.
Chicken.
Spell. Okay, spell Matthew. Spell Matthew.
M-A-T-T-H-T-T.
Joseph, that's your name. Joseph Matthew Basket. Again, spell Joseph. Spell
You
Joseph.
said Matthew!
Okay, spell Joseph.
J-O-S-E.
Ay, naku, see, that's what
Okay, spell Vasquez.
Keep playing.
Oh.
Okay. V-S. V-S. Q-U-E-Z.
Okay, you just forgot the A. Okay, spell Matthew.
I said it!
Okay, spell Matthew.
Can you spell my name?
Oh, spell
Akia.
Akia.
I.
Oh.
L-E-A.
Oh, that's pretty close, Joseph. Okay. Spell chicken now. Chicken.
C-H-I-N. You so dumb! You said don't spell it for yourself!
Okay.
You did spell it!
Spell it. That's not G-I-T. You stupid G. Spell it nga. Spell it. Oh.
Now you're dumb!
You too, spell chicken.
Okay.
C-H-I-N.
No, N.
C-H-I-C-K-E-M.
And I
C-K.
did it! Hey!
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, Joseph, you go to school, huh? Spell school.
S-C-H-O-I.
Spell boy. Oh,
G-O-Y.
girl.
G-U-R-L. That stands for other girl. Stands for ga.
Let's go, Matthew again. Spell your middle, the name, your name, Matthew.
M-A-T-T. Don't you say it. W-E-W-E.
Double M-A-T-T-H.
This little chicken.
My baby is smart.
Okay.
We're so
Okay.
smart.
Okay.
Naman na smart boy.
Spell lion. Lion.
It's right.
L-I-O-N.
Oh,
Good,
no.
very
Okay.
smart. Spell cheating.
Oh.
C-I-T-I.
Ooh, that's Tagalog. You know?
Spell chicken.
How come you know?
Okay. C-H-I-N-K-E-D.
Spell book.
Well, I like to say chicken.
Okay, spell
Like
book.
this.
Spell book. Spell book.
Book. B-O-O-K.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, spell teacher. Oh, this is good.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R.
Whoa, I cannot spell that. Oh.
Okay, now you spell sunflower.
Sunflower. You spell sunflower.
S-N, wait,
S-N.
Taekwondo ba?
space,
Space.
ayun ba space?
Spell sunflower.
S-U-N, space, flower,
What's that? Sunflower?
L-O-W-E-R. W-E-R.
Pwede naman, Jane. So, yeah.
Why is there space? Wait, without the space though.
Sometimes there's space on sunflower, right?
No?
Yeah, it is.
Well, at least he's right.
Spell car.
Oh.
C-A-R.
Wow.
Wow. How about cartoon?
Cartoon.
My cartoon.
Spell it.
Cartoon.
Okay, spell it.
C cartoon.
No, spell it, Joseph. Oh. Cartoon.
C cartoon.
Gee, see, you won't even guess. Gee, you won't even guess how to spell cartoon.
Cartoon.
Spell Goju.
Gojo.
Oh, Gojo.
Go. Wait. Tomato.
Yeah, Gojo.
Gojo.
Goku.
Yeah.
No, Goju.
Goju.
Gojo.
Wait. G-O-J-O.
Wow.
Wow, okay. Now last one, chicken.
C-H-I-N-K-E-N-O-E-D.
Where you get
Big
all
Mommy
that?
said!
Mommy said that.
Chicken.
Oh. Okay.
What about you?
I'll tell everybody thank you for your channel. Oh. Thank you for
I
your...
don't smell chicken.
Thank you for your watching.
No chicken.